Hello friends, welcome to 2D Games with Unity tutorial series. In the previous tutorial, we have understood what is Unity. Unity is basically a 3D game engine. It is a physics engine. Using that, we can create 2D games, 3D games, simulations and other apps. We can create most appealing, highly optimized, multi-platform, simple to complex games very easily in Unity. And we have seen different reference links to learn C# programming and game programming concepts. We also seen the download link for Unity engine. If you want to create a 2D game or a 3D game or a simulation or any app using the Unity engine, you need to create a Unity project. So we need to create a project using the Unity. So how do we create a project using the Unity? Let me show that. Minimize. If you have installed the Unity software on your machine, you can find this icon on the desktop. That is the Unity icon. You can see that I have installed Unity 5.0.2 version. Maybe you have installed the latest version. You might be having here some other version number. You can create a Unity project by double clicking on this Unity icon. If you double click on that, you get this window. You can open this window in another way also. Let me close this. You can go to Start, go to All Programs, locate the Unity folder. You can see here I have Unity 5.0.2 folder. Here you can see the Unity icon also has the name Unity 5.0.2. So I click on this, then I click on this Unity. If I click on that, I get the same window. You can see that, and in this window you can see there are two tabs, Projects tab and Get Started tab. There are two buttons, Open Other button, New Project button. We have few links down here, Community link, Documentation link, Tutorials link. Now what is this Projects tab? The Projects tab lists out most recently created projects. If you have created any projects recently, those projects are listed in the Projects tab. Projects tab lists out the projects on which you most recently worked. So the Projects tab is going to list out the projects on which you most recently worked. At present, we haven't created any project. We have not worked with any projects recently. So there is no list. It is empty. Next we have Get Started tab. Now what is Get Started tab? It contains a demo video, Unity's demo video. You can play this video and get some information of Unity engine. What are the features of Unity engine? What are the capabilities of Unity engine? By watching this video, you get some good information about the Unity. Let me come back to the Projects tab. And down here you can see there are few links, Community link, Documentation link, Tutorials link. If I click on the Community link, it will take you to the Unity's community website. You can see www.unitytd.com/community. As I have not connected to the internet, it is telling server not found. If you have connected to the internet, then you will get the web page displayed with some information. Now community is a place where you can get help, where you can help others, you can discuss with professionals, you can join the Unity's community forum. So a lot of things you can do in this Unity's community. Let me close this. If you click on this documentation link, it will take you to the Unity's documentation, online documentation. So www.unitytd.com/learn/documentation is the link where you are going to find Unity document, that is Unity manual you can say. You are going to get the information about Unity a lot in this documentation page. As I have not connected to the internet, I am getting server not found. If you have connected, you will get a web page with some information. Let me close this. Then we have another link, that is Tutorials link. If I click on this tutorials link, it will take you to online Unity tutorials page. So www.unity3d.com/learn/tutorial/modules. In this link, you are going to get many tutorials which teach you how to create 2D games and 3D games in Unity. So there are many video tutorials you can watch and learn Unity and create games and get success. Let me close this. That is what I have here. Get Started tab contains a demo video regarding Unity game engine. Then you have Unity community link. That is, the link is https://unity3d.com/community. Unity documentation link is, the current Unity documentation link is http://docs.unity3d.com/manual/index.html. Unity tutorials link is, or current Unity tutorials link is https://unity3d.com/learn/tutorials. Visit these links and explore more. Let me minimize this. Now we understand actually how do we create a project. To create a project, we have a button here, new project button. If I click on this, you get a small form that you need to fill up. First, it is asking for project name. Here you have to give the project name. If you don't give any project name, then by default your project is going to have the name New Unity Project. In this place, you are going to write your game name or simulation name. What I am going to do, I am going to write the project name as Unity 2D Demo. So that is going to be the project name. Then you should tell to Unity where you want to save this project. That is, locate the location where you want to save this project. You can see that I want to save this project at the desktop, so I leave it as it is. If you want to save your project somewhere else, all you need is you need to click on these three dots. If I click on that, you get a window saying choose location for the new project. All you need is you need to choose the location, select some folder and click on that. At present, I want to save the project on the desktop, so I click on this cancel button. Next thing, you should tell to Unity that are you creating a 3D project or you want to create a 2D project. As we want to create a 2D project, I click on the 2D. Once you click on the 2D, there are some settings on project are performed by the Unity. We understand the difference between 2D mode and the 3D mode little bit later. As we are working with the 2D projects, I am going to click on this 2D button. Then you have here a small button called as Asset Packages. If I click on that, you get a window saying Asset Packages. If you want to import any asset packages or use any asset package from this list, all you need is check them off, then you say done. At present, I do not want to import any of this asset package. So there are many asset packages we have, like already created vehicles, particle systems, special effects, characters. I do not want any asset package at present. If I want, it is possible to import packages later also. Then all you need is click on this create project. You can click on the back button to go one step back. If I click on the create project, what Unity will do means it will create one folder with the name Unity 2D Demo. That is the project name. And then the Unity IDE will get open. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. So hope you guys have understood how do you create a Unity project. So here we are. Let me go down. Creating a Unity 2D project. If you want to create a Unity 2D project, click on the new project button. Enter the project name in the project name text box. Locate the position to save the project. Then click on the 2D button. Then you click on create project button. This will create a project in the specified location. So hope you guys have understood. For this tutorial, this much is enough, friend. In the next tutorial, we get more information. For more benefits, please subscribe, like, comment and share. Thank you guys. Thank you very much. See you in the next tutorial. Keep learning, keep coding, keep sharing.